Ninja DT251 Foodi 10-in-1 Smart XL Air Fry Oven Review. The Ninja DT251 Foodi Smart XL Air Fry Oven is a powerhouse appliance designed for those who want it all: air frying, roasting, baking, and more in one device. This countertop oven promises faster, healthier cooking with its true surround convection technology, delivering up to 10 times the power of a standard convection oven for crispier, juicier results. With 10 versatile functions from air fry and dehydrate to whole roast and pizza, it's perfect for family meals and those looking to streamline their kitchen. The Smart Cook system with an integrated thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking meat, ensuring your meals come out perfectly every time. One of its standout features is its extra-large capacity, with room to fit a 12 lb turkey, 2 12-inch pizzas, or a full sheet pan meal. You can cook on 2 levels at once without rotating, making it efficient for entertaining or weekly meal prep. Additionally, the 90-second preheat and 30% faster cook times save time, while the digital display handle keeps settings visible and easy to control. Pros: 10-in-1 versatility saves space and replaces multiple appliances. True surround convection for faster, even cooking. Large capacity for family-sized meals or meal prep. Smart Cook system with thermometer for perfect doneness. Air fry is an option for healthier meals with up to 75% less fat. Cons: high power draw may limit use with other appliances. Takes up significant counter space due to its large size. For those wanting a versatile, high-capacity oven that cooks faster and healthier, the Ninja DT251 Foodi Smart XL is an excellent investment, offering premium features for an all-in-one cooking solution. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.